This is a fully automated front-loading washing machine with a capacity of 8 kilograms, and it can wash up to the speed of 1,000 rounds per minute. This is the LED display control panel, and you can turn it on by pressing the power button. It has 12 different washing programs that you can switch between and choose the one that you like. There is a delay, rinse, speed, and temperature control buttons. And by pressing the speed and temperature control together, you activate the child safety lock. Let's take a look inside. It has a stainless steel honeycomb shape